Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best air hockey tables that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Atomic Avenger 8 air hockey table. If you want to really show off that air hockey is a game that you take completely seriously, then the awesomely named Atomic Avenger 8 is one of the tables to end all tables. With a design to match its name and combining excellent construction along with high-end technology, this is the table that will be the envy of all other air hockey tables. If you are thinking of getting competitive with your air hockey, look no further than the Atomic Avenger 8. This air hockey table comes with the perfect playing field with adjustable 5.5 leg levels that, along with touch screen controls and a 120 volts blower, provide you with the most exhilarating playing experience imaginable. For convenience, it is sold along with ergonomic paddles for longer comfort when you still need to play just one more game, as well as 2 red pucks to really look the part. For those who have always dreamed of being an air hockey champion, the Atomic Avenger is your go-to table for certified success. Be sure to also check out our list of the top Nerf guns for more fun items like this. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sports Squad 40-inch tabletop air hockey table. For when you sort of enjoy air hockey but don't want to splash out on getting the biggest, baddest and most complete table, a tabletop air hockey set is just the solution. Luckily, Sports Squad have designed just that, with this 40-inch air hockey table that fits on all surfaces and can be stored away with ease when not in use and be easily whipped out whenever you please. Coming complete with an electric-powered top to give as much of an authentic experience as possible, along with 2 paddles and 2 pucks, Sports Squad 40-inch tabletop is ideal for those who are just getting into the air hockey lifestyle and want to fine-tune their skills before really focusing on world pucking domination. It might not be as futuristic as other products as there is no automatic scoreboard, but when it's just a bit of fun, it doesn't matter who wins anyway. At number 3, we have the Hathaway Face-Off 5-foot air hockey table. Recreate your favorite hockey plays and embarrass your friends with Hathaway Face-Off 5-foot air hockey table. Coming complete with cool designs to replicate your own personal Stanley Cup triumphs, as well as an electronic scoreboard and strong, premium airflow expelled through 1,500 holes, you can shoot the puck around the table, while also trying to keep your cool when things get stressful, as long as you please. The construction itself is a breeze and you only have 5 steps to follow, meaning you can be up and running in no time by plugging it into the mains and accepting that first challenge. The games table is built to last with engineered wood construction and is fitted with leg levelers to guarantee an even playing surface, so you can only blame yourself if you lose. Our selection of the best pool cues offers more great items like this, so make sure you check it out. At number 2, we have the Triumph Fire and Ice air hockey table. If you want to turn your games room into a time capsule of 90s nostalgia, then Triumph's Fire and Ice air hockey table is the way to go. This table is much more fun to play in the dark, where you will get the most out of its light-up features that include LED pucks and corners as red battles against blue. Equipped with electronic scoring and sturdy crossbeams for extra stability, the table has enough to keep both kids, teens and adults busy. It also uses an AC power cord that has proven durable and can be easily unplugged to save money on batteries. While the airflow isn't great, it can still provide hours of enjoyment for all ages. This table does seem a bit gimmicky, with more focus on style rather than substance, but that shouldn't intrude nor take away from the fun that is to be had. Even if you are a manly man, you will love this table. And finally, at number 1, we have the Triumph Lumen-X Lazer 6 feet interactive air hockey table. The Lumen-X by Triumph is 6 feet of endless, stylish fun that can carry you all through the night and into the harsh light of morning. This interactive table features in-rail LED lights along with in-game music that will drag you straight back to your arcade-obsessed childhood and find yourself slurping on soda and stuffing yourself with pizza without having to worry about your curfew. Equipped with dual motor blowers that deliver continuous airflow for accelerated gameplay, you and your friends will probably miss a couple of appointments stuck in front of this engrossing table. This air hockey table also comes with an electronic scoreboard to stop those debates over whether or not it was in, as well as a light-up puck and 2 ultra-bright strikers, all of which guarantee one of the best air hockey experiences possible today. Don't forget to also check our guide to the best foosball tables.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.